హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు లెర్న్ విత్ ట్రిక్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. రీసెంట్గా జరిగిన ఇంజనీరింగ్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఎగ్జామ్ యొక్క ఆన్సర్ కీని చూద్దాం. ఈ ఎగ్జాము 21/9/2020 జరిగింది. ఆల్రెడీ పార్ట్ 1 అనేది ఒక వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెకండ్ పార్ట్. మీరు ఎవరైనా ఇంకా వీడియో చూడకపోతే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను, చూడండి. 105th క్వశ్చన్. ద గ్రాఫికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ variation of axial load on y-axis and position of cross section along x-axis is called truss diagram. 106th question. The beam having one end free and one end is fixed is called as cantilever beam. 107th question. In order that flow takes place between 2 points in a pipeline, the differential pressure between these points must be more than all of these, means frictional force, viscosity and surface tension. 108th question. What is the moment of inertia of circular section? Answer is pi d power 4 by 64. 109th question. The property by which a body returns to its original shape after removal of the force is called elasticity. 110th question. Which of these is a non-Hookean material? Answer is rubber. 111th question. The product of either force of couple with the arm of the couple is called moment of the couple. 112th question. Discharge of a centrifugal pump is proportional to dash, where d is the impeller diameter. Answer is d square. 130th question. The force acting along the circumference will cause stress in the walls in a direction normal to the longitudinal axis of cylinder. This stress is called, answer is hoop stress. 114th question. The fluid coming into the centrifugal pump is accelerated by, answer is impeller. 115th question. In drilling aluminum, a drill with, answer is high helix angle is used. 116th question. The surface tension of mercury at normal temperature compared to that of water is, answer is more. 170th question. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Answer is momentum. అదే స్కేలర్ క్వాంటిటీ అయితే మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అండ్ డైరెక్షన్ రెండు ఉండేది ఏంటంటే వెక్టర్. స్కేలర్ అయితే ఓన్లీ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఉంటుంది. 118th క్వశ్చన్. Foot valves are provided in the suction line of a centrifugal pump to avoid drumming every time we start the pump. Next question. Kinetic friction is the, answer is the friction force acting when the body is in motion. మోషన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా, అది కైనెటిక్ మోషన్. Which of the following is not the unit of power? Answer is kilocalorie per kg second is not the unit of power. 121. The skidding away of the vehicle on a level circular path can be avoided if the force of friction between the wheels and the ground is dash the centrifugal force. Answer is greater than the centrifugal force. 122. Buoyant force is, answer is the force on a body due to the fluid surrounding it. 123. In centrifugal pumps, maximum efficiency is obtained when the blades are, answer is bent backward. బ్లేడ్స్ని బ్యాక్వర్డ్ బెండ్ చేస్తే దానికి మ్యాక్సిమం ఎఫిషియన్సీ అనేది ఉంటుంది సెంట్రిఫ్యూగల్ పంప్స్లో. 124. The horizontal portion of a step in a staircase is known as tread. అదే వెర్టికల్ పోర్షన్ అనుకుంటుంటే రైజ్ వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. 125. When the angular and linear measurements are equally precise in traversing, the balancing of a traversing is done by, answer is Bowditch rule. 126. A point P is above horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. The point is in first quadrant. హారిజాంటల్ ప్లేన్కి అబవ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ వెర్టికల్ ప్లేన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. 127. The working from whole to the pot is done in surveying in order to ensure that. Answer is errors and mistake of one portion do not affect the remaining portion. 128. Maximum impulse will be developed in hydraulic ram when waste valve is closes suddenly. 129. The volute pumps are dash pumps with dash shaft, single stage pumps with horizontal shaft. 130th question. When 1 centimeter on a map represents 10 meter on the ground, the representative fraction of the scale is. Answer is 1:1000. 131. In operation, the chip thickness is minimum at the beginning of the cut and it reaches to the maximum when the cut terminates conventional milling. What is the variation of total pressure with depth for any submerged surface if we neglect variation in the density? Answer is linear. A secondary auxiliary view is a projection of primary auxiliary view. Station point is defined as the position of the observer that determines the perspective rendering. 135. Dynamic friction as compared to static friction is. Answer is less. Stress strain relationship for Newtonian fluid is. Answer is linear. 137. These maps are used in planning installations of trees, shrubbery, drives and other garden features. Answer is landscape maps. 138. A baseline in a chain survey. Answer is fixes up the direction of all other lines. 139th question. The materials which exhibit the same elastic properties in all directions are called. Answer is isotropic. 140th question. When the line is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, we can get its true length in. Answer is both front view and top view. 141. The fluid gains velocity and pressure while passing through the impeller. Velocity ఉంటుంది, pressure కూడా ఉంటుంది. 142. In a singly reinforced beam, if the permissible stress in concrete reaches earlier than that in steel, the beam section is called. Answer is over reinforced section. 143. 1 horsepower is equal to 735 watts. యాక్చువల్గా 745.5 ఎంత ఉంటుంది అప్రాక్సిమేట్గా ఇచ్చాడు ఫ్రెండ్స్. 144. Slenderness ratio is the ratio of effective length of column and maximum radius of gyration of a column. 145. The weight of a body is due to gravitational force of attraction towards the center of the earth. 146. The bulk modulus of elasticity. Answer is independent of pressure and viscosity. 147. Modulus of resilience is the ratio of proof resilience and unit volume. 148. The isometric projection of a circle is a ellipse. The line in which the plane passing through the given point and the north and south poles intersects the surface of the earth is called true meridian. The ratio of lateral strain to the linear strain within elastic limit is known as Poisson's ratio. ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ వీడియోని మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. రిమైనింగ్ బిట్స్ అనేవి నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్లో చేద్దాము. ఏవైనా కరెక్షన్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.